Hey everyone, hope everyone's doing well. Just wanted to post a quick video about a few updates for the class. Class is going really, really well. I've been very pleased with the class as a whole because, your discussion posts are getting better and better each week. You're building on the material. The classmate responses have been really solid. So again, I'm really pleased with the direction that the class is heading. So thank you very much. It makes teaching the class that much more enjoyable. So again, I appreciate it. So busy next coming up. We only have about 5 or 6 weeks left in the semester. It goes by so quick. Here in I think 2 weeks is or next week, I'm sorry, is exam number 2. So I'll post a little bit of information about that. Make sure that you study for it, obviously. But the format will be very similar to exam 1. There'll be multiple choice questions, short answer questions. You're given the whole week to do it. You're given a 4-hour window when to do it. Again, all those instructions will be in Canvas. So just make sure that you follow the rules on that for exam number 2. So. And then in mid-April, don't forget that checkpoint number 2 is also going to be coming due. I tried to leave, each of you some feedback from checkpoint number 1, and as a whole, the class overall did a really good job on checkpoint number 1. But remember, for checkpoint number 2, kind of follow that same process that I talked about in checkpoint 1. I provide a model sample paper for a reason. I want you to use that sample paper as a basis for your analysis. Again, the student that I used that for definitely earned an A for that assignment. So I think it's a good way. Obviously, you don't want to plagiarize and copy word for word, but I'm okay if you use that as a template to make sure you add in your data. For a lot of you, the feedback I gave you for checkpoint number 1 is use data. I need to see lots of numerical analysis. That's really what the core of compensation is. So if you can make those changes that I suggested from checkpoint number 1 and apply it to checkpoint number 2, you're going to do very well on that. So between the exam number 2, checkpoint number 2, the semester is moving along very quickly. So again, as always, a reminder with your when we do our classroom discussions, make sure, unless I tell you differently, your initial post is always going to be due on Thursday night, and 2 additional posts are going to be due by Sunday night. So so make sure you don't miss those due dates, so you don't lose points that way. And again, as I mentioned from the very beginning, if you're struggling with the class, if there's concepts you don't understand, if you need some additional guidance, please email me, reach out to me. We can set up a Zoom discussion. I want to make sure that each one of you is set up for success. So if you have questions, please don't hesitate to ask. So, all right. Well, like I said, if you need anything, let me know. Otherwise, we'll keep moving along, and we'll have a very strong last 5-6 weeks of the semester. So thank you again, everyone.